This video demonstrates installation of the US Hitch model H10-310 for the 2018 Harley Heritage Softail Classic and the Softail Deluxe. Installation requires just a few simple tools, and all the hardware you'll need is supplied with the hitch. Begin your installation by removing the saddlebags from both sides and set the bags aside. Remove the remaining Torx bolt in the fender. As you remove it, put your hand behind the fender to keep the nut plate from falling out. Apply thread lock to a 3/4 inch hex bolt. With this bolt and a washer, install the right side arm, hand tightening the bolt. Repeat this process for the other side. Install the base plate on top of the shelf created by the two side arms, using the 4 carriage bolts, washers, and nylock nuts. The welded nuts on the base plate should be on the top, and the base plate's flat surface on the bottom. Hand tighten the nylock nuts. Next, swap out the bolts on the saddlebags. Remove the O-ring and bushing on each bolt and install a 2 3/4 inch bolt. Do this for all 4 bolts, 2 on each saddlebag. Apply thread lock to these bolts. Then align the hitch side arms with the saddlebag mounting holes on the fender and reinstall the saddlebags. Tighten all the bolts on both sides of the fender and the 4 nuts on the base plate. Apply thread lock to the 1/2 inch grade 8 flange head bolts and install the tow bar. Tighten these bolts. Apply thread lock to the mounting bolt for the ball. Install and tighten the bolt. It's that simple. Visit our website at ushitch.com to order, or find us on eBay. Email info@ushitch.com with any questions. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.